South African DJ and actress Thuli Phongolo under fire after slamming Jacob Zuma's family in a tweet. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thuli said the Zumas are out of hand. Hi ngeke encouraging violence and damaging people's belongings and property is uncalled for. I don't care who says what. I will not forward my tweet. My opinion won't change. I'm not offended by insult. I stand by my words. That's all. Trips and Zuma supporters said that Thuli must not speak up just because it did not work out between her and Duduzane Zuma. These were some of their reactions. Awumekancane sisi, this isn't only about Zuma anymore. It's day 3 ubaba eboshiwe manje. This is a matter of injustice, not only for him, but for the rest of us who continue to be left out kule economy because of people who are buying presidents and judges. ICC, don't be a blondie. That violence is exactly what your government wanted. Being unfair to Ubaba is what caused this chaos. One thing about trips, they will fight you if you come for what they love. And Thuli just happened to be catching strays for what other people are calling a much bigger issue. People have said that the shutdown is not just about Jacob Zuma getting arrested. It is about the many years of injustice that the country has endured. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon and keep this in mind. Love you.